Alright, good morning guys, it is Chris Chatfield here and I want to do a really quick tutorial on how to actually register for the Power of Two using your Chrome browser and the Chrome Link extension. Okay, so first off, once you get your link from your sponsor, all you're going to do is come here into Chrome and you're going to paste it here into the browser, or just simply click on the link. If they send it to you via email, through Facebook or Telegram, all you do is just open it in the browser. Now this method only applies to only applies to the Chrome extension, the Chrome Link extension. There is a different process if you're using Tron Wallet or Tron Link on the computer, on the phone, but this is for Tron Link on the computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this screen right here, and you're going to just make sure that your wallet is open. Here you can see I'm using Megan's wallet and I'm getting my fiance started into the system. So make sure you've got enough Tron in the balance here ready to go, and all you're going to do is open this screen and click on register to activate first slot. Now this is going to immediately pop up here. It's going to say request signature. We're going to hit accept, and then the confirmations will go through. Alright, as you can see, it says we're successfully registered. The back office will open immediately, and then it will grab your data and bring you through and show you where you're at. So here you can see that we're in slot 1 in X Factor and slot 1 in Prime, and you can see up in the top here our ID number and our sponsor's ID number. Now in the future you're going to see your income here, your direct partners, your Tron wallet. If you ever need to send that to anyone, if they need to send you funds or anything like that, then you can do that from here. Having said that, you'll probably also just use the one up in your Tron link. Very importantly, you can see up here is your affiliate link. So you can either copy the whole thing here, or you just simply press copy. Okay, now if you want to purchase the slots ahead, you can only purchase the next slots ahead. Now you can do it by using the purple button, or you can do it by clicking the individual slots. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to buy slot 2, and so you press the button, you press accept, and then you've got this same confirmation. Now this is very quick. It doesn't take very long for this process to happen, but just so you guys know, there are hundreds of little checks and balances all happening in the background here, and the 20 confirmations that you're seeing here is the blockchain just making sure that everything's okay, everything's set up fine, there's no errors, it's distributing the ID, it's distributing everything, and getting it going. So yeah, so this is a very, very easy process on how to get started with Power of Two. Now, obviously, once you're finished here and the confirmation has gone through for slot 2, you'll then see it will be slot 2 and slot 2. If you then wanted to do slot 3 individually, you would just then click on slot 3. Now, as we're aware, you can only click on one slot higher in X Factor than Prime. Okay, most of the time I'd like to make sure that they stay balanced. So we have 3 and 3, then 4 and 4, and we move up like that. Now, that ends this little tutorial on how to actually get started, and make sure you check out our other videos on other great information on how to use this system and the Power of Two.